Hello, welcome to another video. Now let's solve for x and y here. Okay, so let's observe the two equations carefully. Okay, so we have the first one here and the second one. All right, now we can divide 2 by 3 from here, or we can factorize 3 out here. So that will be, all right, that will be 3 out x plus y equals to 27. So by dividing 2 by 3, I will left with x plus y equals to 9. So 3 9 27. Okay, so we call this one equation 1. Okay, and this one will be equation 2. So we have 9xy. So my 9xy is the same as xy equals to 7 on 9. So that will be the next equation. Okay, so from 1 here, we want to make one of the variable here the subject. Let me substitute into the next equation. So we have y equals to 9 minus x. So that will be the third one. So we have y here. So 3 into. Okay, so that will be x times y, 9 minus x, equals 7 on 9. So we have 9x minus x squared equals 7 on 9. So from here, we can dissolve this. So that will be 9 times 9, this times 9, and this times 9. That will be 81x minus 9x squared equals 7. And the same as 9x squared minus 81x plus 7 equals 0. All right. So let's complete the square of this. Okay. As we divide 2 by 9. So let me pick my calculator. All right. So step 1, I will divide 2 by 9. So that will be x squared minus 81 on 9 plus 7 on 9. 0 9 will still be 0. So have x squared minus 9 is 81 plus 7 on 9 is equal to 0. So from here, x squared minus 9x equals to minus 7 on 9. Okay. So let's take half of coefficient of x. So that will be half of minus 9. That will be minus 9 on 2. So we add this to both sides of the equation. Minus 9 on 2 plus. Okay, so we have this information. So we have x and this. X minus 9 on 2 all squared equals minus 7 on 9 plus 81 on 4. X minus 9 on 2 all squared. So we have 9 here. 9 on 4, 36. 9 here, 4 minus 28. So 9 times 81. That will be 729. So x minus 9 on 2 all squared. So 729 minus 28. That will be 701 on 36. Okay. So let's take square root here. So this side will cancel. Plus or minus. So this one is the same as square root of 701 on square root of 36. Have this plus or minus square root of 701 on 6. So have x equals to 9 on 2 plus or minus square root of 701 on 6. Wow. So it looks funny. So let's find the LCM. 2 here, 3. Have so 27 plus or minus 701. Okay. Alright, so we'll give the same as 27 on 6 plus or minus 1 on 6 with 701. Okay, so if you want to reduce it, you go back to this. Okay, so that's that. Now let's look for the value of y. So remember, y is here. Y is 9 minus x. Okay, so y is 9 minus x. Y 9 minus x, but this is x. So if it is positive, okay, so we have y equals to 9 minus. So let's plug in this. So 27 on 6 plus or minus 1 on 6 701. So we have this. So that would be 9 minus 27 on 6. We have minus plus 1 on 6 square root of 701. So we can deal with this one by 1. So we have 6 here. Okay. So this side will be 6. 1 6 6 9 6 54 minus 27 minus plus 1 over 6 square root of 701. So in the calculator, 54 minus 27, that would be y equals to 27 on 6 minus plus on 6 square root of that. So that's the final answer. All right. Thanks for watching.